Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify app not working. So guys, when you want to open your Spotify app and Spotify app is not opening, or when it's open then not playing songs. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your Spotify, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys after this you need to click on Wi-Fi, and guys make sure that you have connected with proper internet connection. So guys, if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys the second option is you need to open your app store. So guys, if you are using iPhone you need to open your app store, and guys if you are using Android then you need to open your Play Store in that phone. So guys, I have opened here app store. So guys, simply you need to search here Spotify. So guys, simply you need to search here Spotify, and guys after this you need to click on Spotify app, and guys simply you need to update your app from here. So guys, if you have any kind of update in this tab, so guys simply you need to update it. So I have already updated this app, therefore I have not showing option of update. So guys, after doing update you need to go back. So guys, the third method is you need to open your settings and scroll it down, click on general, and guys after this you need to click on iPhone storage. And guys after this here you need to find Spotify. So guys after finding it, so guys here you can see Spotify, you need to click on it, and guys simply you need to click on offload app and click on offload, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store, and guys after reinstalling you need to log in again your account. And guys after doing all the steps your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to open your Spotify and playing all the songs on your Spotify app. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys here at the option of screen time, simply you need to click on it, and guys you need to click on content and privacy restrictions, and guys after this simply you need to turn off this tab, and guys after turning us off you need to go back, and guys after this here is the option of general, you need to click on it, and guys you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of VPN and device management. And guys here you need to make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. So guys, if connected then you need to disconnect it, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to click on reset network settings, and guys here you need to put passcode of your iPhone, and guys after doing this your network settings will be reset, so your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you need to click on software update, and guys make sure that you have updated version of iOS. So guys, if you are using older version of iOS version on your iPhone, then guys simply you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, click on update now, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.